You're gonna love the 2026 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass, the upscale, sophisticated compact SUV with advanced safety features to protect your most precious cargo. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, touchscreen infotainment system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, tires all season, turbocharged engine, satellite radio, premium sound system. Feel safe and secure when you explore your world in the Compass. Take a test drive today.